I'm you from the future.
You're.
Yes, yeah, I am you from the future. That's what I just said. Specifically, I am you December 31st, 2023, whereas you are me from January 1st, 2023. And I'm here to help you recap this past year to all of your followers.
Okay, let me get this straight. So you're me 365 days from now, and you're here to help me recap the year?
Hooray! He can be taught. But in that master's degree to use, I see. Well, before we get started, there is something very specific that I need to do.
What the heck was that for?
It's me getting even for all that. It's future Riley's problem crap that you send my way.
Okay, so hit me with all of the details.
Well, honestly, dude, this year was really awesome. First, the Golden Knights won the Stanley Cup.
What? That's awesome. I knew that they were good this year, but shoot.
Just don't interrupt me again, okay? Cool.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, the Packers suck though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's kind of a bummer. But don't worry, the Bears still suck, so.
Oh, thank God.
Oh! UNLV football made a bowl game for the first time in 10 years. So yeah, that was pretty cool.
Cool. This is all great and awesome, but can you talk to me more about like our photography and filmmaking this year?
Okay, fine. I get your point. Buckle up. We have a lot to cover in a short bit of time. "2023 started off with an absolute bang. I spent time in my own backyard capturing time lapses for a lesson I was planning on sharing on the channel when I captured this image right here. Then just a few days later, I was able to capture this image in the same area, which you guys might actually recognize this image from a tutorial I posted about some of my top pro editing tips I have learned over the past few years. But things really got rolling with a short 3-day trip we made in the van. Yeah, it was a pretty great start to the year if you ask me, but it honestly didn't compare to anything like Africa. Wait, hold on, excuse me, did you say Africa? Oh yeah, we went to Africa this year, and Canada. Actually, we were out of the country for like an entire month straight. It was pretty crazy. Okay, cool, let's back it up to the Africa thing. What were we doing there? Well, we did get to do some photography, but that really wasn't the main purpose of the trip. We were invited by our father-in-law, who's the pastor of our church.
I know who our father-in-law is, genius.
Yeah, well, he was invited by his pastor on an 18-day trip full of outreach, networking, and also some hunting.
Oh, dude, that sounds so awesome.
Did we see any snakes? Because, you know, I hate snakes. Thankfully, no. Well, I take it back. We did see one snake. Ugh. Yeah, but thankfully we didn't see like any more after that and any more like alive. At least my group didn't.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
We also spent some time in London, which was cool during our layovers.
That sounds sweet. Did we get any good photos?
Yes, sir, we did. But instead of me talking about it, why don't I just do one of those little montage things we just did so people can get a vibe for what's going on? Okay, that sounds cool. Let's do that. From great food to top-tier hospitality, South Africa did not disappoint. Not only did we spend time within the community itself learning about the history and giving back, we are able to experience the rejuvenation the Bushveld provides. The flights we took gave us an opportunity to visit London as well for a total of 16 hours between the two legs. On our first flight over, the King's coronation was taking place, which made for some once-in-a-lifetime experiences. And as I mentioned, I was actually able to spend a few days in Canada once I got back and was able to photograph black bears until my lens broke 30 minutes into the trip. Dude, those are some really awesome photos we took. Correction, pretty great photos I took. You don't have what it takes to capture these images yet.
What do you mean?
Well, first off, you haven't survived the AI photography revolution yet.
Wait a second, no, hold up. AI's been around already for a while. Like, it couldn't be that bad, right?
Well, no, yeah, it's all a matter of perspective. But we actually made an entire video about it. We don't need to talk about it too much here. But what we do need to talk about is the van.
Oh, did we sell it? Are we still renting it? What did we do with the van? What did we do with the van?
We completely rebuilt it.
We what?
Yep, we gutted the entire thing and decided to rebuild all of the interior. Since we decided to make this van my full-time mobile office, there were some changes I wanted to make to the interior. This was also great content for the channel, and honestly, we have a lot more projects left on the van, so I'm looking forward to sharing those with you in 2024. I also enjoyed spending some time with my dad in the shop and my good friend Aaron, who joined us for a few of our projects. I'm super happy with how everything turned out, and I can't wait to get back out there in it again. But before I did rip everything out, I did take the van down to Owl Vans in Mesa, Arizona for some exterior mods to the van, and I couldn't help myself from sneaking away for some photography one evening.
Man, that sounds so awesome. I can't wait to travel in that.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good, especially in Colorado this year.
Oh, we went back there again this year, huh?
Yeah, we spent about 10 days chasing fall color again there.
Oh, sweet, dude. Tell me about it.
You know, I don't think so. I just posted all the videos on my channel, and I actually took all those videos and lumped them into one long video and posted that last week. So if I talk about it more here, I really feel like I'm beating a dead horse.
Come on.
Okay, fine. I will go ahead and share some of my favorite images from this year, as well as those that didn't make it into a specific video piece, in case people watching haven't followed me on Instagram, Facebook, or Vero, or haven't headed over to www.rileyclarkvisuals.com to see my entire portfolio of wildlife and landscape photography, where they can also pick up fine art prints, merchandise, and collectibles like phone cases and puzzles. But if they're not ready for that, I'm gonna go ahead and invite them to subscribe down below so they don't miss out on any of the future adventures we're gonna go on in 2024. And I also wanna say thank you to them for making 2023 a really awesome year. Without their support, a lot of the trips and adventures we went on wouldn't have been possible. Now, I just wanted to say again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for such an incredible year. Not only did we hit our goal of reaching 1,000 subs this year, we surpassed that by over 1,000 extra subs. So seriously, you guys are the best, and I can't wait to share more adventures with you in 2024.